cheers.
Enjoy.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Uncomparable.
Oh my
god. We picked up some food and
Here we are.
come have some lunch with us. We got two things. We found this super authentic spot down in South Beach called Taco Bell.
Family run, it's a great business. You gotta
The
get
best
down there.
Mexican food in South Florida, for real.
I'll do the reveal.
Oh, that looks so good. So we got some, this is chicken tacos with extra cilantro. I made the mistake to call the coriander. They don't know what that is.
Dude, it's super funny. We got the steak birria pizza right here. That's crazy.
What do you want to start with?
Bro, I came all this way for this. So.
All right, let's do it. Oh, but wait, do you not want to start with one of this? Because I feel like that and then this.
Okay. End on a high.
And they got guac
Let's
as well.
open some of these like dips.
Do you want to put them in the...
I'm just gonna put it on the table.
Oh wait, no, they can't even see off. We'll just put it like half and half.
And a guac as well.
And a guac situation.
Do they put napkins in there? Yeah.
A few, but we've got to like ration them.
Rationalize.
We can't get anything on our outfits as well.
I know,
That's why we want to take some
as well.
pictures. A bit of...
This is gonna, bro, this is...
Alright, cheers.
Alright, cheers.
Enjoy.
Let me get in there. Oh my god.
Uncomparable.
Mmm. Are you kidding me? That's insane.
I'm gonna have to get one out. I'll give you one. This place, Dolce Vita, down on 6th Street in Miami Beach. Do you know that? My back is like burning up, but
Yeah, same.
this is gonna go quick, I'll tell you something. Wow. The guac's pretty spicy. It's like super runny. So they probably put some like chili situation or something in. I'm gonna have to rejig this because I really don't want to get anything spilled. So let's do that and that. And then this is my plate. Eating over there. Cool. Alright, now for the main event. Can you see that you're like half in? If you lean forward, so you're like better in, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, now the pizza birria.
Get some
Birria
lime
pizza.
on
Yeah, go crazy on that shit. These limes are like,
there. Quite tough.
yeah, they're hefty. Hefty limes.
Just gonna have to get some messy hands right here.
I think so. It's a bit more soggy underneath. It's not really cut.
Wait, yeah, this is not. I mean, it did come off, but it's like. Cheers. Oh my god.
Unbelievable.
That is actually insane.
Woo! Okay, our guac went down my throat. Could have just taken our tops off to eat.
I think I might have to.
I feel like I'm risking more mess by even taking it off.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Maybe not.
Bro, this is so good.
This is insane. Let me move these limes. Just sort of-
Get it all up in there. Do you want the last chicken taco as well?
We split it.
There's so much punch in it as well.
Yeah.
I didn't even take a picture. Oh well, you guys got the picture.
You get the picture.
You get the picture.
Let me take a picture right now.
Like
I've got clean hands.
half-eaten mess.
Yeah, but that's the Gen Z way.
Okay, eaten mess.
Right, let me get the whole vibe in here. Let me get the whole vibe in here.
Do some portrait. Thumbnail alert.
Thumbnail.
That's
Sick.
a vibe. All right, I'm going in for round 2.
Yeah.
Imagine like a massive one of these.
It is
Tag your
pretty
boys.
massive.
Tag your boys. Who you bringing along to finish this?
Everything about it is like perfect.
Perfect. That like consomme is insane.
That guac is super spicy, but
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Hella onions, hella cilantro. Interesting with the steak.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good though. The thing is, I've got like red hands. I'm so worried about my chop.
Yeah, I'm so worried. I'm gonna split this
Go for it.
somehow.
Just bite it and just give me the other half. Okay.
That worked.
If I had a death row meal, it would be this. Hands down. Like no debate.
I think I might join you in that. I'll have what he's having. Make that for 2.
Make that for 2. Extra protein. What are we holding? Hold the...
Yeah, hold the chilies in the guac actually.
Is that your next slice?
That is.
I'm taking this one.
Now you go for that. Look at that. That's all you. I know you've been dreaming about that.
I've got like all the middle bit. The middle bit's just, that is.
Holy fuck. If anyone in London is watching this that owns a Mexican place,
Niche shout out call.
please just make something like this, because I have never found anything in London close to what this is doing to me right now.
With pump of cheese. If I managed to do it without getting anything on my chop, I'll be very proud of myself.
Yeah, it's actually really dangerous. Yeah, good job. We didn't get through the dips as much as I thought we would, but it's too spicy.
Yeah.
My white ass can handle it.
We got some shredded pepper jack cheese on here. Alright, the last one. The last one.
This has been a religious experience.
Whew.
Wow.
Finish it off with a lime.
All of that managed to keep the tank crisp and white.
I got more napkins if you want. Do you want?
I'm actually alright. I did it in 2.
You're a better man than I'll ever be.
2 napkins and all of that consomme. Now for the water.
We're sipping on Zephyr's natural spring water. Water from Florida. I might need to wash my hands down. I feel like there's a shower somewhere.
Yeah.
This is so crispy as well.
Imagine that at 3 a.m. I'm probably going to fall asleep within 5 minutes. That was unbelievable.
No, I am down to do this again. This
Yeah,
week.
100%.
Right, should we cut the cameras now?